The chief officer or first mate on a ship is second in command, responsible for managing the ship's operations, safety, navigation, and efficient functioning while supporting the captain. Key duties: 1. Safety and security, overseeing safety protocols, maintaining safety equipment, and leading emergency response efforts. 2. Deck operations and maintenance, supervising deck crew, managing cargo operations, maintaining deck equipment. 3. Navigational duties, monitoring the vessel's navigation, ensuring safe passage, and maintaining proper lookout and assisting with navigation. 4. Cargo and ballast control, managing cargo loading and ballast water for stability. 5. Crew management, training and disciplining the deck crew, ensuring their welfare and health. 6. Documentation, keeping records of operations, safety drills, and ensuring regulatory compliance. 7. Communication, coordinating with the captain and shore authorities on vessel operations and logistics. 8. Environmental responsibility, ensuring compliance with pollution control regulations and promoting environmental protection. 9. Inspections, conducting inspections and ensuring the vessel meets regulatory standards. 10. Administrative duties, handling reports and managing deck supplies. The chief officer ensures the vessel's safe and efficient operation, supporting the captain and managing both technical and crew-related responsibilities.